Where's all the big boys at? Where's all the big boys at? Trinitron9, Coney, Ellie, got down.
Hey, wow, chow. You made it to Mississippi too, 327, don't say good evening.
Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Ellen. Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Ellen just got down.
There, come on. There you go. I ain't heard it roll like this.
No get back, no contact. Get Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9. Get Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Ellen. Got down.
Trinitron9, 121 Florida, right back.
Hey, 121, you cleaned up my radio. 121, good evening. You cleaned up my Coney Ellen base station. Hope all is well. Have a good week. 121, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Break.
Mississippi, I don't know if you had a copy on me, Trinitron9, but 121 Florida, waving a quick hand.
Hey, 121, you making the trip. 121, no doubt about it. Take care, 121. 121, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Said bye.
Hey, Roger, Trinitron9. Good hearing from you, my friend. Till we do it again, be 121 Sample. We go Vegas.
And that's a 121 Roger. 121 Roger. Bye.
Big brother called me, man, but he got so tired of I couldn't get nothing out of it. That mother, they just thinking that it's good. Trailblazers on the side of Mississippi we got.
I hear Trailblazer out there jumping up and down. Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Ellen. Checking on the mail.
Hey, 121, good 226 wave. Hey, 121, good 226 in Apple Trees, wave your way. 121, here I come. Bye. I dig it. Hey, country boy in the nation kept on waving hand. Your trailblazers on the side of Mississippi, country boy, I'm stepping back. No Raj on that 121. No Raj on that 121. 226 in the northeast corner that I got to run. Bye. Man. There's two country boys out there showing their got thinking me 226. Heard you that go around. A little rough and tough down here on the I'll be 121. By 121, 226. By 121, 226. By 121, 226 gone.
It's rough out here tonight, 226, no doubt about it, but it's all good. Waving it again, Brooklyn Kid, Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand, just got down.
Man, got it on trail, got it on Trinitron9, you said it, I heard it, bye.
Bye.
And forward, still on those forward to the east. No doubt about it, some very much, maybe a little bit there. Well, we hoping he gets you tuned in here in a minute. 226 in the northeast corner with it. Hello, DX Land, 226 in the northeast corner, Apple Trees reading the mail. Good evening, buddy. Definitely rough and tough over here with Illinois. You can be on the side of it when I point your way. It's rough. But you sounded good down here, buddy. I would have been there. Have to hammer it down. No, man, this is rough. That's what I thought. I can get him good for a minute and then they go.
Good evening, Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Ellen. Good evening, Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Ellen. Got down?
You take care of that blade. I got hits everywhere, man. I got Pennsylvania, Virginia. I just showed Big Dog and the Keystone up there. 103 dropping a hammer on me. Hey, Blaze, top of the evening. Happy holidays right there. Hey, we looking over top of your house is what it is. you on the northeast side of it. Big dog, small hammer number 2, right back. Y'all have a good one, son. Good down here. Skip along, real nice. But definitely moving around a little bit. Hey, Sunblade, Big Dog, your watchmaker, right back.
Hey, watchmaker, look around Coney Island, Trinitron9, trying to put it in your ear hole. Hey, watchmaker, look around Coney Island, your Trinitron9, trying to put it in your ear hole. Watchmaker, break it up, break it up.
Trinitron9, your friend down in Mississippi. I'm gonna see if I can get your radio. It might not happen, but I sure gonna try. Hey, Trinitron9, trailblazer.
Hey, Trailblazer, here I come. Trailblazer, here I come. Good evening, Trailblazer, here I come. Hey, Trailblazer, here I come. There's a whole lot of Haitian trash out here, but here I come. Good evening, Trailblazer, Trinitron9, Coney Island, break, break, break.
Big Bubba, I think I heard it. You're a long-time friend down in the Magnolia Trailblazer way.
And I appreciate it, Trailblazer. I appreciate it. God bless and keep you. Have a good week. Hey, Trailblazer, I appreciate it. God bless and keep you. Have a good week. Hey, Trailblazer, your longtime friend, Trinitron9, Coney Island. Bye, bye, bye.
Hey, Trinitron9, we're going to try this 327 Cowboy down here in Central Mississippi, too. We over here next door to Trail. Just going to wave out here real quick. Say good evening, man. You blowing smoke down this way.
327, you blowing smoke, too. I appreciate the wave. Good evening, 327. Have a good day. Have a good week. 327, Trinitron9, Deep Waters of Coney Island. Bye, bye, bye.
Alright, Trinitron9, you have a good night there, man. It's getting rough and tough. We'll catch you later on.
Catch you later on. Bye, bye, bye.
Yeah, 420 New Jersey. We got you down here too, man. It's sounding good. We say good evening.
No get back on the watchmaker. No get back on the watchmaker. Let me take this thing out of the deep waters of Coney Island. No get back on the watchmaker. Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Island. Get down.
Said that on the file. Pay Florida. Got down. Yeah, we got these family mall going down. Trailblazer and me, we got that family mall putting it down. Y'all have a good evening out there. 327, back quiet.
Bye, 327. Take care. Take care, everybody out there. Trinitron9 gonna pull a plug. I'm gonna go back to the shoreline. 327 and all the good time gang. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Said bye, bye, bye.
There we go, 420. Hey, 420, you got it going on too, man. You and Trinitron9. I hear both of y'all down here, man. Me and my crew. Hey, 420, your Trailblazer,
Bye, Trailblazer. Bye, Trailblazer and all the good time gang. Bye, Trailblazer and all the good time gang. Bye, Trailblazer and all the good time gang. Trinitron9 said bye, bye, bye.
Hey, good copy, 420. What that day you made working for you, man. I got 30 DVO for all you down here, man. Some bodacious audio. Take care, my brother. Merry Christmas. Somebody else is throwing the bucket, man. It's all over.
Let me get my cornbread out of these deep waters of Coney Island. Let me take my cornbread out of these waters. Y'all take it easy to the next time around. Let me get my cornbread out of the water. Trinitron9, Coney Island said bye, bye, bye.